Hi guys. We are in a city of art, music, coffee, and timeless beauty. We are going to have in this video we'll wander through grand palaces. Anyways, that's the review. It's quiet streets, totally recommended, and some cafes in the city. We are rushing. Along with few travel tips to make your trip smoother. We are right now at Vienna. Cafes. Like हमारा backup plan तो वही था. If not this, then this is the perfect place for a breakfast. We arrived at Vienna at around 9:30 a.m. and one of the first things that we did was to get a Vienna public transport day pass, which was super worth it. Instead of buying single tickets every time, we just took a 24 hours pass right from the Wien mobile app, and it gives you an unlimited rides on the U-Bahn, trams and buses for the whole day. You can even buy this at the station through these machines for the day, and it saved us a lot compared to the single tickets every trip as we hopped around the city. Hi guys, good morning. This is a good morning from Wien. So right now we have reached Vienna in the morning, all set already. So there are gonna be a lot of these stands, roast hot dog types we get it here. And we are gonna have that for breakfast. I mean, we are super hungry, so we are going to have a roast.
Classic kinda.
Good, really good. You liked it? You liked it?
Very much.
वो sauce अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Mustard
Either with ketchup or mustard
or mix.
or mix.
So
Basically,
take
तीनों
mix. Mix is
mix
good.
करके बोला.
Our first stop here is at the St. Stephen's Cathedral, which is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Right in the heart of Vienna, this stunning Gothic cathedral is known for its colorful tiled roof and incredible architecture. Church is beautiful. This is where Mozart got married. So you should come and visit. It's so quiet. So this here you have an option where you can go up an escalator so you can see the whole old town view. Maybe this is a good viewpoint because the whole old town view you can get it from there. God, we are moving out now. And yeah. Right after that, we headed to Hofburg Palace. This massive complex was built over centuries with each emperor adding their own touch. And that's why you will see Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and Rococo styles all blended together. It was once home of Empress Elizabeth, also known as Sisi, and today it houses museums, the Spanish riding school, and even the Austrian president's office. The view is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, look at the horse. Now tell me, ये इतना pretty लग रहा है ना? Christmas, full Christmas vibe में but. So after Hofburg, we quickly stopped by the Hof Christmas market just to catch the vibe. We didn't stay too long because we were saving the evening for Vienna's most famous Christmas market. But this was a mood here, some festive stalls and full Christmas energy. We are right now going to Cafe Central, which is kind of very famous cafe here. This is one of the problem here in Vienna. Every famous cafe has a lot of line. ये line देख रहे हो, ये कब ख़त्म होगा? So it's always recommended to book in advance, but we haven't. So let's see how this goes. Cafe Central is kind of very famous for its interior and everything, but again the line you saw, so we cancelled it. The other alternative for Cafe Central is Cafe Spol ST. I will drop it here. So we are planning to go there. Here also there is line, we'll have to wait for some time. Post a short wait for around 5 minutes, we got a seat at Cafe Pearl. The interior felt untouched by time, and we ordered a melange, which is Vienna's version of cappuccino, along with apple strudel and a coffee. So of course we couldn't go to the Cafe Central, but we came to Cafe Pearl. It was really good. And the melange was really nice. It was a strong coffee. And then we had apple strudel. Apple strudel is known as the national dessert of Vienna, so it was also good. And now we are going to Cafe Demel. Cafe Demel is one of Vienna's most famous historic cafe, known for its classic desserts and royal era charm. When we went there, the line was surprisingly short, so we decided to wait, and we would definitely recommend sitting inside because the interiors are absolutely beautiful and elegant. It was really good, very yummy. Sakotorte, I think it's again overhyped. I didn't get that feel. So इतना overhyped क्यों है? वो वाला नहीं मिला. But the pancake was, it was perfect. It made it worth it. And the melange that we had, I think the one we had at Cafe Pearl was much more better than this. I think this was more of like cappuccino wala flavor aa raha tha, but that was something really good. So Kaiserschmarrn, totally recommended. Sakotorte, I'm not sure. I am not gonna recommend you that. And melange also not recommended here. But again, if at all there is a huge line in Demel, there is another cafe named Cafe Sacker. I'm really not remembering it right now, but I will put it down here, the cafe name. You should, if there is a huge line here, mostly it is going to be a huge line here, and if not, reservation made. If अगर वैसा कुछ हुआ तो maybe you can go to this cafe. It is a very really, like हमारा backup plan तो वही था. If not this, then maybe we are going to that place. But glad. Anyways, that's the review. So it's all your choice now. Maybe you can check both of the cafe reviews and then decide, right? So yeah, that's a plan. And also we spotted the famous Instagram viral bow you might probably have seen all over the social media, and also passed by the stunning Vienna State Opera. After that, we planned our way to the Vienna giant Ferris wheel to wrap up the evening. We thought it's gonna be giant. It's not that giant.
जब बनाया था तभी जाइंट रहा रहता है ये इसका हाइट कितना है 64.75 मीटर्स है। तो ऐसे बोलते हैं कि इससे पूरा सिटी का व्यू मिलता है
इससे
You know, वो ज़माने में शायद से व्यू
मिला होगा या ये अपना मेले में इससे बड़ा जायंट व्हील्स होता है। This is Wiener Riesenrad, the famous giant Ferris wheel in Vienna. It is one of the oldest Ferris wheel in the world and it's a great place to visit if you're traveling with kids. Thanks to the surrounding Prater Park, while still offering beautiful views and fun experience for adults too. And then we reached the Vienna Christmas Candle Markt, which is Vienna's most famous Christmas market, set right in the front of the stunning Vienna City Hall. The vibe here was beautiful, the festive lights, the Christmas music, food stall, and that warm holiday energy everywhere. And yes, this is also the place where the viral Christmas Heart in the Sky video probably you might have seen all over the Instagram, and seeing it in real life felt just magical. So we cannot close this video without mentioning these two spots. The first is the 15-minute in Suze, a cute dessert cafe that's perfect for a quick sweet break. Everything here looks so tasty and comforting. It's such a lovely place. And then there is this cafe Golden Egg, which is quite famous for its stunning breakfast, and honestly our stomachs were very happy. It's located really close to the Wien Hauptbahnhof, so if you have just arrived in Vienna, and this is going to be a great place to grab a breakfast and start your day, especially since your hotel check-ins are usually after 3 p.m. Highly recommended. Please do come here. It's very near to station, maybe 6 minutes walk from the Wien Bahnhof, and here you will reach, and this is the perfect place for a breakfast. And let this church be the landmark. And by this we reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Vienna was beautiful, and next we are traveling from Vienna to Budapest, which is a very short journey and which is gonna be another vlog. Either way train late hota hai, guys. And also I'll be sharing some really useful travel tips that has helped us and that will help you even if you're not visiting Vienna during Christmas. You can find all of this content in the Vienna playlist on this channel, and I'll be soon uploading the Budapest vlog. So make sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. See you in the next one. Bye.